Treasure D.
No.
What are you talking about, Treasure D?
Kendrick Lamar.
Kendrick. D loves Kendrick Lamar. Me personally, I don't like Kendrick Lamar. I used to like Kendrick Lamar when he was back in the day. I guess when he first came out.
Like Kendrick Lamar.
Yeah, when he was back in the day, but not like right now. I don't like that. I hate that. So corny and whack. What'd you say, D?
And like us.
So this is where the treasure box told us to come today.
You didn't show the treasure kids though.
Yeah, the treasure box told us to come to the beach
But
today.
you didn't tell the treasure kids and you didn't show them.
So since we at the beach, I guess we're gonna have some lunch. We're gonna have lunch at the beach, huh?
Yep.
Have lunch at the beach.
Yes. I wish I could get in that water right now.
Nah, it's pretty cold. It's pretty cold today.
A chili dog.
What is that? World famous lobster roll.
I want to try it. And this is another one. It's another one.
What is that? Oh, it comes with fries. It's a burger. So you knew what?
I knew we were gonna go up here. I don't want to go up here. When we go up here, all the way up there, we're gonna end at the water.
You want to show the treasure family the water?
No, I'm scared of heights.
How you scared? What? You like the beach, Treasure D?
Yeah, I only like roller coasters with heights.
So you only like roller coasters?
Yeah, with really high heights. But I
So you like roller coasters, but you're scared of the water?
Yeah, cause
That don't make sense.
yeah, cause one of the bars says flip-flop, and then I was hating.
Say, Paw Pals. Treasure D, you want me to buy you one of these?
No, I don't want to go. Can you buy me these though? Can you buy
What?
Me, can you buy me this?
What? I'm not buying you nothing.
Please, I'll pay you. I promise.
I'm not buying you nothing.
I pinky promise I'll pay you. I pinky promise I'll pay you.
What?
I just
Treasure D wants some ugly glasses.
Please let me get these.
Man, them are ugly, bro.
Please let me
Them
have
are
them.
ugly.
Please let me have them.
They ugly, bro.
God, please. I'll give you.
All right, put it back.
I'll pay you.
Put it
Give
back.
me it.
Put it back.
Pay for me.
I'm not doing it.
Hello, Bill.
What are these? No, they not real. They fake. They look real.
I see you over there. Yes, you.
What's the purpose of this?
And let Zoltar be sharing with you your fortune.
Come with adoption
Ow,
papers.
please.
What? What's that? Psychic.
It says.
What did it say, Treasure D?
It says, smile. You're on camera.
Yep, smile, you're on camera. Where's the camera at?
Right here. You have the
Where?
camera.
Oh, I got the camera. No, they talking about you on camera. They talking about we on camera. I don't know.
want these. I don't want
You know what? You don't want them? All right,
I
put them
don't
back.
want No, I'm still looking at what's them.
Put them back.
I'm looking to see if I can get some.
Oh, look, Treasure Family. Look what I got. $5.
Now you can buy from me.
And it costs $1.
Yeah, so you can buy
It costs
from me.
$1. Let's try to get change.
Wait. That,
I got $5. So I'm about to get 5 on one.
wait, let me see it on me on camera. These look ugly.
All right, thank you. Oh, you too. Here, go put $1 in the machine.
Oh, these are for me?
No, put $1 in the machine. Hey, D, put the glasses back. We're gonna do the psychic. I got $5.
What are those $5 for what?
Gypsy,
Look,
and I can see
you gotta
your
put the $5 in there.
Come see it
No, I don't
too.
want it. I don't want it. I don't
Put
want
it in
that.
there.
Why?
Because we about to do a fortune.
It's a portrait.
I mean, it's a psychic. See if
What's
it take a. See what it say.
I am Zoltar at your service. Listen closely to my instructions now. Hard work pays off over time, but laziness, it pays off right now. Heed my advice, young one. Relax and enjoy yourself today. You deserve it. and come back to gain more timeless truths from Zoltar, the wise gypsy. What are you waiting for? Come on over. For a small fee, Zoltar will give you a wealth of wisdom.
Treasure D, what is this? This say for a good time, open the door for $1. What? You wanna do it?
Sure.
All right, here go another $1. Put the $1 in.
Oh, nothing pops up.
Treasure- Uh-oh, all right. Treasure D, open the door. Oh, it played us. It don't work.
It's like you're about to get it.
It's saying something. What? It played us. Nothing happened.
I can't open the door.
Okay. Man, this thing played us.
They took our dollars.
Yeah, they took our money.
Scam us.
They scam us. You wanna try that, Treasure D?
I heard about it.
Oh, you have?
Yeah.
Go, Treasure D. You can do it. Yeah, do it harder.
That hit me in the face. You tried that. I saw who's going to throw it. That's a play. That's a play on the hook.
It'll be just my luck, I get it.
Go, me. Go. Boom. Boom.
Wait.
You probably gotta throw it to the side.
Go, go right here. Aim right here.
You know what? We tossing it. I mean, we underthrowing it. Let's see.
No, that ain't how you do that.
Okay, let's see. Let me see.
No, I'm going.
Wait, one more time.
If I make it, you have to give me $100.
Yeah, if
Okay.
you make it. Go ahead, let's see.
Let's see you make it.
Guys, if I
If Treasure D make it, he gets $100. Let's see if he make it.
have to aim for a hug.
Go, Treasure D.
No! No,
Get that
touched
little
it!
circle thing on that hook.
No, touched it!
Don't start cheating. Don't start cheating. There go Treasure D cheating. Yeah, Treasure family to
Wait,
Treasure
guys!
bots. What?
He's still at this thing. Okay, you get one more try. One more.
If I get this one more time, you have to double up to 200.
Okay.
Yeah.
200 if you get it. Okay, we're done. He's saying he made it when we turned our backs.
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Come on.
Come on. Okay.
Look at all the surfers. Man, let Kendrick Lamar go, man. Treasure D, wanna see the surfers? There goes some surfers.
I'm scared.
The surfers right there.
I'm scared.
Treasure D's scared. They're trying to catch a wave. There they go, there they go, there they go. Woo! Oh! There they go. There they go. Woo! He got it. He got it. Oh, oh! All right, now it's time to go find something to eat. Mr. D, you ready to go find something to eat?
Yes.
There's a lot of restaurants.
Dun, dun, dun.
I don't know which one we gonna pick.
I know. Scissor.
What? What are you saying scissor for?
No scissor. I bet I can break your ankles in basketball, Dad. If I break your ankles and made the shot, you have to give me $100 when we
You can
get
break
home.
my ankles?
Yeah, if I break your ankles and make the shot, you have to give me $300.
Oh, yeah?
At home, yeah.
Oh, okay. Cool.
No, we're gonna do that today.
What you want to eat?
I want to eat. I just want to eat some.
I don't know what to pick to eat. It's a lot of restaurants.
Just
Treasure
eat-
box.
Just eat BJ.
Where's the treasure box when you need one?
Wait,
Hey,
that's
look, the treasure box right now will help us out a whole lot. But I don't see any treasure boxes. Where is the treasure box? Treasure box, please help us find something to eat.
we need to bring them.
All right, treasure family, I guess we found one. What's it called? Hurricanes? Hurricanes. We're going into Hurricanes.
Well, they got a big menu.
Yeah, let's check them out. Hurricanes.
Hot honey salmon. Steps.
There's a table.
Ocean water in here.
Smells like ocean water.
Yeah. It smells good though. Wait, it look. Sorry. This is $100.
Sure to win.
$100. I want $100. Come
I don't have
on.
$100. There's Treasure D. And this is where we sitting. You like it, Treasure Mama?
Yes.
I don't like it.
Why you don't like it?
Yeah.
You scared? Scared of what? The height?
This is probably wobbly, and one day I'm gonna hurt myself.
Man, you ain't gonna hurt yourself.
I want to see what it is.
Okay, stay right.
Well, I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all. Actually pretty nice. Alright, now we finally got our food and the food looks delicious. Ooh, what you got, Treasure D?
Man, that looks good.
That looks real good.
I'm like, man, they
Chicken
got
strips?
something there. What's the breading on that? What you guys do?
Just it did crispy?
Just the crispy?
It's crispy, yeah, it looks
Good.
man. What you got, Treasure D?
That's why it's two strips.
Alright, you wanna do a taste? Alright, what Treasure Mama get?
Bodacious
Ooh.
sandwich.
That's smoked turkey
Tomato,
Tomato.
grilled tomatoes, and avocado.
and french fries. Looks delicious. How it taste, Treasure D? Good? I'm gonna try a french fry. French fries are really good.
Just what I like it.
Alright. Go for the chicken strips.
These are really good.
You know what? I'm going.
Good? Alright. Let me try it.
No, wait, where?
Hold on, hold on. Alright. That ranch pretty good.
Looks like it's in the sand.
And here's mine, Treasure Family. I got a tuna melt.
Ew, who looks like
It
who
do
likes
look good.
who likes tuna?
Your food.
Yes, looks good.
Your bacon.
Yeah.
Everything looks good.
Yep, thank you. tuna melt. You wanna try it? Show your mama.
I done got full. I'm full.
I can't even pick this thing up.
Yeah, it's so big. He about to taste this tuna melt. Be careful.
Tuna melt.
Look, it's falling at the bottom. Good. Really good. Let me bite that corner right there. It's really good. Good.
All right, Treasure family. Treasure D, did you like your food?
Yes.
Yeah. What you like about it?
It was so good. I like the seasoning on my French fries and I like the chickens.
Yeah. And we all got to-go boxes. All of them. Like the food was just a lot, and it was just perfect. Just perfect. You like your food?
It was delicious.
Delicious.
Excellent. And my dad.
Excellent. Whatever. All right.
I can went to
So
school.
you had fun at your beach day.
Yes.
Have fun at your beach day. Treasure mama is tired.
Today's my birthday. Just kidding.
All right. We had a really good time. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't know that they was blowing at me. All right, Treasure family. We'll see y'all when we get home.